Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious chicken parm with spaghetti. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, we're going to begin by making our marinara sauce. In our pan, we're going to set it over medium heat. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and half a tablespoon of oil. We're just going to allow our butter to melt. Once our butter has melted and our pan is nice and hot, we're going to add half of a small diced onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, a quarter of a cup of fresh parsley, and a quarter of a cup of fresh basil. We're going to saute it for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're going to add 2 cups of crushed tomatoes, 2 cups of tomato sauce, and a quarter cup of water. Just going to mix it all together. Okay, to that we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, salt to taste. I'm using 1.5 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So mix it one more time. And we're just going to allow this to come to a simmer. Okay, and once the sauce comes to a simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to allow it to simmer down for about 40 minutes. So I'm just going to set it to the side so I can get my oil ready. Okay, so I'm just going to set it on medium-low heat. And I'm also going to get my pasta water for my spaghetti. Okay, and while that's going on, we're going to work on our chicken. Okay, so I'm going to begin by slicing my 3 pieces of chicken breast in half. Once we have them, we're going to grab a piece of plastic wrap and just flatten them out. So make sure you get them all nice and even. Okay, so once they look like this, we're going to repeat the process with the rest of our chicken breast. Okay, so once we have our chicken cutlets, now we're going to season with salt and black pepper on both sides. Okay, once we have our chicken seasoned, we're going to get our breading station ready. Okay, for our breading station, we're going to begin with half a cup of flour. To that, we're going to season it with half a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. So just mix it together. To our 2 eggs, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. Just mix it. Okay, and to our 1 cup of panko, we're going to add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. And just mix it. Okay, once we have our breading station, we can get ready to dip our chicken. So we're going to grab our chicken cutlet, dip it into the flour first, make sure that it gets fully coated on both sides. Okay, dust the excess. Dip it into the egg on both sides. Remove the excess and dip it into the panko and Parmesan. Make sure that you press it down. Okay, we remove the excess, place it into a cookie sheet, and we repeat the process. Okay, once we have our chicken all nice and coated, now we can get ready to fry them. Okay, and before you fry it, make sure that your oil is at least 350 degrees. So my oil is ready, so now we're going to grab our chicken cutlet. We're going to begin to fry it until nice and golden, so about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, my chicken cutlets are fully cooked and they're nice and golden on both sides. So we're just going to drain all of the excess oil, place them on a cookie sheet, and we repeat the process. Okay, and while we cook the rest of our chicken, our salted water should be boiling. So now we're going to place our pasta, and we're going to cook them al dente. Okay, once our pasta is cooked al dente, now we can drain the water. Okay, so here we have our spaghetti pasta. And at this point, our sauce should be done. So now we can get ready to put our chicken parm together. Okay, so I have my oven preheating at 400 degrees. So now we're just going to grab our chicken cutlet, add our marinara sauce on top of it, and top it with some mozzarella cheese. And now we're just going to pop it in the oven until our cheese melts. Okay, and after a couple minutes, it is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Okay, so I'm going to grab my plate, place my spaghetti, our sauce, And our chicken parm. Going to garnish it with some fresh parsley and serve with some garlic bread. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make and best yet super delicious. Under 1 hour, you have this whole delicious meal that everyone will love. So I am so ready, and my chicken is still nice and crispy. Let me grab my spaghetti. Nothing beats homemade, and this dish is no exception. So cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious chicken parm with spaghetti. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.